What's up, everyone? This is Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, guys. So listen, as you can see, I have got my screen open. A lot of folks ask me what the name of the group is. It is the Craft Beef Jerky Makers group, okay? So I wanted to put this video on. So we have open enrollment. You used to actually have to buy my cookbook to get in the group because I wanted to make sure that people are serious about making beef jerky, okay? So real important, we can get a lot of information from this group. We have a lot of great craft beef jerky makers here, and it's a great group to learn from. So it is open enrollment. If you want to get inside the group, you do not have to buy one of my products anymore to get inside the Craft Beef Jerky Maker group. It's real simple. You just go into the top and you type in Craft Beef Jerky Makers. Okay, in your search bar up top, you hit the search, and there you go. It's at the top. And then the other group that I manage is Beef Jerky Lovers and Makers. Okay, so you're welcome to join both of those groups. Get in, guys. It's open enrollment. Okay, so we shall see you inside the group. Thanks for watching.